Hi, welcome to Yaartech. This is an example of a project where we developed a dynamic project management dashboard using Power BI framework and a mobile application tool for the project team members using Power Apps tools. This mobile app is used to capture the project details, task details, and regular updates on the project by respective team members. The captured data is channeled and stored into a cloud-based online SharePoint system. Power BI is connected to this SharePoint system and hence extracts the latest and updated data on a regular basis and updates all the dashboard automatically. Let me introduce to you a sample dashboard we built for project management. The controls on the left side are the filters, which can be used to filter the dashboard. Say, for example, if we select the year 2021 from the filter on the left side, the values of the entire dashboard changes to show only the data pertaining to year 2021. As you see now, all the numbers are showing a lower value. Here the costs versus benefit chart shows only for year 2021. If we further filter on the left side panel, the project type is cost reduction. Then the table in project summary shows only the data pertaining to cost reduction. You can also filter the data based on what you click on any of the charts inside the dashboard. You can also search for a specific project and understand its key KPIs. For this example, let us search for Triumph. Here you can see how much this particular project brought in as profit, its cost, and other key KPIs. Now let us understand more about the mobile app, which is used to record new projects or edit existing projects. In New Projects section, you need to provide the details of each project, its description, its cost, benefit, and delivery timelines. In Edit Existing Projects section, you are given a gallery section to see the list of all projects. Clicking on any one of them gives more details about the project. In the bottom right corner of this page, you are given a facility to add tasks for this project. You can add tasks, subtasks, milestones, estimated cost, task owner, etc. in this section. Contact us if you want to build similar dynamic Power BI dashboards and mobile apps at very low and affordable rates.